Good morning, class. How all are you, students? I hope that you all are good. Okay, now from the last 3 days, that is Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, we all we all discussed about the poem that is "A Children of the Rainbow," which is the first poem of your reader book, and you all noted down your poem 1 and the top children of the rainbow with your poet's name, that is your C.J. Heck. After that, you all copied the hard words, and I checked your copies. Now you have to write the question answers of that poem. So here I am going to tell you the answers, dictate the question and answers. After dictating it, I will send you the pic of these answers. Okay. Then you all complete your work in your reader fair copy. Okay. So put your date on the top, that is 11/5/2020. Now, how was a girl different from the other children? The girl was different from the other children because her skin was chocolate brown in color. Okay. Second, pick out the line that explains why the poet behaved differently from the other children. So the line is, I think she looks just beautiful. This line explains that the poet behaved differently from the other children. Next, question number 3. What was Grammy proud of? Grammy was proud because the narrator said that the brown skinned girl was beautiful and the nicest girl she had ever met. The narrator also felt bad that the other children teased her and would not let her play with them. Now, the last question. Why does Grammy say that children are life's rainbow? Grammy said that children are life's rainbow because she believed that all children are beautiful in every way, comma, no matter the color of their skin, comma, no, here you have to put full stop. Okay. Then children being joy to one's life just as a rainbow, full stop. A person should not be judged by the color of their skin, full stop. One should see the nature of the person and their qualities before judging them. Okay, students. So these are your 4 answers of the poem Children of the Rainbow. I think you all clear the question as well as answer well. After completing your answers in your reader fair copy, first you have to read it once before sending me your work. If you have any problem with the meaning as well as explanation of any line of a single sentence of a particular answer, you can ask me. Okay. So don't get confused, and if you have any problem regarding writing, then ask me, and after this I will clicking the pic of this answers and send it to you. Okay. And your work is, you have to write it in your fair copy, and your homework is you have to learn these answers well. Okay. This is your homework. All the 4 answers you have to learn well. Okay, students. Okay, thank you, class.